Hi friends, welcome to my channel and let us start daily analysis. Friends, before we start, I want to give you first itself a disclaimer that whatever views which I am sharing, these are my personal views and my personal studies. So I don't guarantee you any success or any profit from the trades, right? And also my request, if you're watching first time my channel, make sure you subscribe the channel and hit on the like button, comment in the comment box what are the more information you want from this daily analysis, and share this video with your other trading friends, right? So let us start the daily analysis. So first, as usual, we normally see previous day's history, what had happened, and what was my view and what had happened. Then we do the today's analysis, right? So let me share the screen. Friends, hope you remember on Friday, I have clearly mentioned that, see, I was expecting a sideways day. One, yeah. So this is what I told on Friday. I was expecting a sideways day, but overall we got a trending day basically, right? Even I have clearly mentioned that, see, the price may take some resistance somewhere near to this level, right? 5,734 level. Here, this chart, today's analysis, whatever I am doing is based on today's expiring chart, right? Today's expiry crude contract. So some brokers are not allowing to trade you today in March month contract. You may need to trade April month contract. So whatever level which I am telling here, accordingly, you need to check in your April month contract, right? Yeah. So let us continue. So here I have clearly mentioned that somewhere near to the previous day's high or this resistance level 5735 level, I have told you that it can take a resistance. You can exactly see the price tried to break, but it couldn't break and it was struggling here. Then it made a big elephant candle, right? And then it was a selling signal and it started coming down. Even it broke the CPR range, right? So once it broke CPR range, I told my levels are basically one major level was the previous day's low, right? So previously continuously 2 days, it took a support at 5,445 level, right? So it was very clear that it can actually, even when the price comes to those level, it can take a support. And I told you clearly that there is a major support which was 5398 level. And you can see exactly just the price just tried to break, but it couldn't sustain and it recovered all the way. Right? You can go and refer Friday's video so that you will understand more clearly. So this level I told, the green line I told, it's a very important level for me, 5398, which is a 50% retracement in our long-term chart. Right? So exactly took a support there and it's recovered all the way. Right, this is what happened, and we got a very good trading opportunity in the sell side, and we got almost up to the previous day's lows. Right, and this was just one tail it made. That's it. Right, but even though you can see that when the price came here, how the buyers became stronger and how they started dominating the market. Right. Now let us do today's analysis. First, first we will check with the daily chart. In daily chart, you can see market actually broke our important levels. The zone which I mentioned last 4 months, it was struggling to break, but it broke and came all the way down. And Friday, you can see it took exactly support at our major level of 5398 level, and it recovered all the way, right? And now, according to this chart, what I feel is one, see, I'm not, to break this level and sustain below 5398, it will be slightly difficult. Difficult in the sense it can happen, but it may take time or it may take some retracement and come back. So we need to wait and watch for that. Since last 3 days, it was continuously taking a support near to this zone from I'll say 5,555 to 5398 level. I am expecting a small retracement from this level. And one more reason, you can see our 20 EMA is trading very far actually. So 20, normally the price goes and try to touch 20 EMA, right? So I am expecting a small retracement coming days, and it can somewhere it can actually touch 20 EMA. Then again we can see the continuous bearish trend, right? The bearish trend may continue after touching that, but we need to wait and watch for this 20 EMA plus the price touching level, right? So that's what as of now, I'm not looking for a bigger selling opportunity at this level unless we get a good or big elephant candle or rocket candle below this 5398 level, right? And this is what exactly in our NYMEX crude also happened. The price came down all the way and near to previous day's low, it took a support. And you can see here, I think I have marked in our 30-minute chart. I think I have marked clearly the green line, right? You can see that $65.39. Exactly, it came on Friday to that level and took a support, right? So here you can see again the same pattern repeating here, and the price is trading much away from 20 EMA. So there is a possibility that it can go back and touch somewhere the 20 EMA, right? Maybe if at all, if it coming down, it may take support somewhere near to this level, and breaking below that 50% retracement with a big candle maybe will lead to a further bearish trend, further selling pressure, right? Then which is below $65.39. That's what I'm expecting. Otherwise, I feel it can take some support somewhere and again recover it, right? Now, 30 minutes chart we will analyze. Friends, 30-minute chart, the CPR range in NYMEX crude, it is not a wide CPR, it is not a narrow CPR, it is an average kind of CPR. And this is what you can see in our market also, which 30-minute chart is showing 5,544 to 5,571, 71 is the level, right? So this is a small, I mean, it's not a narrow CPR, it is not a wide CPR, it's an average CPR. So it can be a trending day, it can be a sideways day also, right? But normally we have seen on Monday that market normally have a sideways day. But again, we will see the price action at each location. But one thing again, we need to be cautious that last couple of days, last Thursday, Friday, or Wednesday onwards, we could see that there was a huge selling pressure. So when it, if at all, if it bouncing, slight pressure on buying side also will be there, right? So I am not expecting a much sideways day. Maybe I'll be looking for a trending day if I'm getting a proper price action, right? So let us see what are the major support. One, of course, 5398. In case if the price is, according to NYMEX crude, you can see it has formed a pattern. It is a selling pattern. It can take a support either the current level or it can come somewhere near to the last this level for 65.70, which was our Wednesday low, or 65.39 level, which was our 50% retracement level, right? Somewhere it can come near to that level. Maybe it can take a support and go back, right? And if the price breaks the CPR range and if it's sustaining, then we have a target up to the weekly pivot, which is 69.79. So as of now, it is looking slightly a sell, but we have a nearby support. So I will not go for a sell because our risk reward ratio will not favor for it. Now, let us go and check in MCX crude. MCX crude again showing narrows or average CPR. Again, it can be a trending day compared to check when we compare with the last 3 days price. And now maybe it can take a support at 5,446 level, which was our previous day's lows, that is Wednesday and Thursday's low. In case if it breaking, then it can take a support at 5398 level. Right? These are the two important levels which I am seeing, if at all, if it's coming down. And if any price action comes with a bullish trend, I may be looking for a buy, and my first target will be somewhere near to 5,543 level, right? And exactly at middle pivot, middle CPR range, we have 5,515, and we have even a major resistance zone also. Breaking these levels with a good pattern will lead to a buy opportunity for a target of 5751. That's what I'm expecting. This will be previous day's high, and exactly near to that level we have a weekly pivot, right? So almost if at all the price comes up, if we get a pattern here, the first target will be somewhere here. And again, if the trend continues, then we have 5835 level, right? These are the important levels which I am expecting today. And again, according to the price action at each location, I may change my view and my trend, right? Yeah. So friends, that's all in this video. And before winding up, I want to invite all you to my master classes. Friends, coming Thursday, we have a masterclass called Price Action Secrets, where I'm going to teach you about what is price action and how price action works, and what is the psychology behind a support and resistance, why it works, and what are the important candles which you need to consider during intradays. And also, I am going to give you 3 important patterns. See, you can see, I have so many patterns which I use for my intraday trading. And from these 3 patterns, I'm going to share you. Right? So I want all you to register for the masterclass. The link to register for the masterclass is in the description. So click on the link and register for the masterclass. And Friday, again, 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m., we have a superpower trader where I am going to discuss more about psychology behind successful trading. And I'm going to give you my trading rules. Some of my trading rules I'll show you. See, I have my trading rules, which I always keep in my desk. So that 5 important trading rules I'm going to share during this webinar, right? And both the webinars will be very interesting. So make sure you register for the masterclass and let us meet at the masterclass. So thank you very much. Wishing you all a very happy and successful trading. Thank you.